Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start with new topic profit and loss. Objectives of this topic are introduction, to find profit and loss, to find profit percent and loss percent, to find SP when profit or loss and CP is given, and to find CP when profit or loss and SP is given. Today we will start with introduction part, to find profit and loss, and to find profit percent and loss percent.
Students, profit and loss always occurs in the business, and in the business we deal with sale and purchase of goods. Under the profit and loss, we will discuss two types of prices. Price at which we buy something is called as cost price, and the price at which we sell something is called as selling price.
Let's understand it with the help of an example. Suppose there is a shopkeeper who buys this coffee mug at the price of rupees 50. As he buys at the price of rupees 50, so it will be considered as cost price. Short form for the cost price is CP. So here CP is equal to rupees 50. Now this shopkeeper will further sell this mug to the customers. Now there will be two cases. Either shopkeeper sells this mug at the cost which is more than 50 or at the cost which is less than 50. Let us suppose shopkeeper either sells this mug at the price of rupees 60 or at the price of rupees 40. Sales means selling price. So either SP is equal to rupees 60 or SP is equal to rupees 40. SP is the short form for the selling price. It will give rise to the two cases. Here if SP is equal to rupees 60 and CP is equal to rupees 50, then SP is greater than CP. On the other hand, if SP is equal to rupees 40 and CP is equal to rupees 50, here CP is greater than SP. Now it will give you the two formulas. If SP is greater than CP, it will be profit for the shopkeeper, as price at which he is selling mug is more than the price at which he buys the mug. So if SP greater than CP, it will give you the profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. Always subtract smaller from the bigger. On the other hand, if CP is greater than SP, that means cost price at which he buys the mug is more than the price at which he sells the mug. In this case, shopkeeper will be in loss. What will be happen? Loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. Must remember these two formulas in order to attempt the sums of profit and loss. Profit is also called as a gain. Now let's start with the examples of profit and loss. Here statement is find the profit or loss. First example is SP is equal to rupees 15, CP is equal to rupees 10. Here we need to find profit or loss. For that, first step is to compare SP and CP. Which one will be greater? Here SP is 15, CP is equal to 10. SP is greater, and we know if SP is greater than CP, what will happen? Profit. So write down the formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. After that, substitute the values of SP and CP. Here SP is rupees 15 minus CP is rupees 10. Rupees 15 minus rupees 10 will be is equal to rupees 5. That will be your profit. Now let's move towards one more example. Here CP is equal to rupees 120, SP is equal to rupees 100. We need to find profit or loss. First step is to compare CP and SP. On comparing, we have got CP is greater than SP. So write down, if CP greater than SP, what will happen? Loss. So write down loss formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. After that, substitute the values. CP is equal to rupees 120 minus SP is equal to rupees 100. Rupees 120 minus rupees 100 comes out to be rupees 20. That will be your required answer. Students, till now we have learned how to find profit or loss whenever SP and CP is given with the help of these two formulas. Now, if you want to calculate profit and loss in terms of percentage, let's understand that. Now, in order to find the profit percent or loss percent, let's recall the formula of percentage. That is, percentage is equal to part upon total multiplied by 100 upon 100 log. Similarly, there is a formula for profit percent and loss percent. If you need to find profit percent, formula is profit over CP multiplied by 100 upon 100 log, and for the loss percent, formula is loss percent is equal to loss over CP multiplied by 100 upon 100 log. Must remember one thing, that either you find profit percent or loss percent, always write down CP in the denominator. For the profit percent, you need profit, and for the loss percent, you need loss. So, let's start with the questions of profit percent and loss percent. Statement is, find the profit percent or loss percent. First example is, SP is equal to rupees 75, CP is equal to rupees 50. We need to find profit percent or loss percent. We know in order to find profit percent or loss percent, we need profit or loss. So firstly we will find profit or loss, then we will apply the formula of profit percent and loss percent. So firstly we will solve profit or loss with the similar steps as we have done in the previous examples. So firstly compare SP and CP. On comparing, SP is greater than CP. So write down, if SP greater than CP, what will happen? Profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Here SP is rupees 75 minus CP rupees 50. 75 minus 50 comes out to be rupees 25. Here in this case, profit is there, so we will find profit percent. Here profit is there, so apply the formula of profit percent. Formula is profit percent is equal to profit over CP multiplied by 100 upon 100 log. P stands for profit, P percent stands for the profit percent here. After that, substitute the values. Profit 25, CP rupees 50 multiplied by 100 upon 100 log. After that, do the simplification, but while doing the calculation must keep one thing in mind, that don't use this 100 that is logged. This 100 is for the sign of percentage that we will put with the answer. So after doing the simplification, 0 cancels with the 0. 5 and 25 comes on the common table of 5. So they get cancelled with one another. We have left with 5 and 10 in the numerator. So 5 multiplied by 10 comes out to be 50. Must write down percentage sign because we have calculated profit percent here. So 50% is your required answer. Let's move towards second example. Here CP is equal to rupees 250, SP is equal to rupees 200. We need to find profit percent or loss percent. Firstly, we will find profit or loss. So on comparing CP and SP, CP is greater than SP. So write down, if CP greater than SP, what will happen? Loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. On substituting the values, CP rupees 250 minus SP rupees 200. On subtracting 250 minus 200, rupees 50 is your loss. Here loss is there, so we will find loss percent. So apply the formula of loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss over CP multiplied by 100 upon 100. After that, substitute the values. Loss 50, CP is 250 multiplied by 100 upon 100 log. On doing the simplification, 0 cancels with the 0. 25 and 50 comes on the common table and they get cancelled with one another. And must remember, don't use this 100 log for the calculation. After simplification, we got 20%. So 20% is your required answer. Students, this is all about the profit and loss, and I hope you have understood how to find profit loss, profit percent and loss percent. Now you are able to do the related work which we have sent to you in a snap homework. Thank you, students.